So let's be real. Majority of crypto noobs looking to get into altcoins are all talking about Shiba. There has been some insane price targets. The meme coin space seems to continue growing, and it all started first with Dogecoin, and now Shiba seems to be the hot topic. This is our very first analysis on Shiba, and I'm going to cover some interesting points on the price and exactly what you can expect for Shiba in this current bull cycle. We will have the outcome of the price continuing to rise, also a major deep correction. All of that is possible. It all depends on how you look at the price action, how you trade it. But no matter how you look at it, Shiba Inu right now is showing value to traders. So let's talk about it. What is going on, everyone? It's your boy John at Real John Doe. And I never thought I'll be doing a video on this, but you guys asked for it. And here it is, our very first Shiba Inu analysis. I'm going to try and give you all the information you need right now if you are trading Shiba. And also, there has been some crazy price predictions out there when it comes to Shiba, but I'm going to keep it real with you. I'm going to give you some more realistic price targets, explain why I have those price targets. So stay tuned, and here we go. From zero to hero, Shiba Inu has made itself one of the most talked about cryptocurrencies this cycle. It's far less younger than Dogecoin, and now the value of it is almost just as much as Dogecoin. All the major exchanges have picked it up, and it did start as a next generation meme coin. Now it is being taken seriously by the next wave of crypto investors. This year alone, it's up over 10,000%. I could be wrong. It's actually probably more than that, but it was so much for me to keep track. But I know at least 10,000% is how much Shiba Inu is up since it was released or even this year. So some people got lucky and they did make some serious cash. But how much more can it go up from this current level? And from people who know crypto, you can kind of see that this current pump right now for Shiba does seem more like an actual bubble than actual adoption. There are a few pointers that you can look out for a potential burst in the bubble. I did look for a few things online, and I also watch it myself. But some key points are, number one, real world utility. And yes, a lot of cryptos are still lacking in real world utility, but along the top cryptocurrencies, most of them have established what exactly their role is and their play and what can happen in terms of adoption. But for Shiba Inu right now, it is a meme coin. People are still looking, the majority, just to make profit out of it and not really much adoption in real world use case. But data also suggests that the average holding period for Shiba holders is less than 1 week, meaning that people are mostly looking to just profit off of Shiba Inu, and no one really knows much about the technology or the utility. And this price action right now is mostly built on short-term speculation. Short-term gains like what Shiba has had throughout this past year do not really hold in the long term. If you look at majority of cryptos throughout the past cycles, when crypto does go into a downtrend or a major correction, things can fall a lot. And I mean something like 50%, 90%, 95% in some cases. So if you are holding Shiba right now and you have an insane high price target, it's kind of come a little bit back down to reality. And that's what our analysis are for, to help you guys have some more realistic price action and price targets so it can help you out with your trading. And Shiba could have also topped off right now and could be going into a correction, as all that cash flow will be moving into other meme coins back to the OG like Dogecoin. So now let's talk about our price targets. I'm going to tell you guys things to the upside, levels to look out for this run to continue for Shiba, and also the position that it's actually at in terms of all cryptos and how much you can expect it to see to keep going up on a realistic level. You never know, things could randomly blow up. But also, I'm going to give you price targets on the downside if you are looking to buy the dip, or if you are shorting, or even if you're just looking for a nice support level for Shiba before you look for an entry as a long-term holder. Either way, we're talking about the price action on current levels, and let's jump into the chart right now and talk about that. So before we get into the good stuff, here's what I need from you. As usual, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Just hit that subscribe button. I'm telling you, we have a lot more content coming. You guys have been really helpful, almost getting to that goal of 25K subscribers by the end of the year. We do have about 2 months or so left, and I think it is possible. So if you're not subscribed, you're watching right now, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you're already subscribed, what you can do as well, hit the thumbs up button and like this video. That also helps the video get viewed by more and more people like yourself who weren't subscribed or are already not subscribed to the channel. And that really helps us out in the YouTube algorithm to get more and more people on board. And as well, find my Twitter at RealJohnDoe. That's exactly where you can find me on Twitter. Just search that. That's where you can follow me for more and more market updates. So speaking of market updates, let's talk about what you came here for, Shiba Inu. So I'm looking here on coinmarketcap.com, and right now it is currently the 19th biggest cryptocurrency. And look at that, Dogecoin is number 10, so it's not even that far away. The current market cap is almost 11 billion, $10.9 billion. We got 1.4 daily volume, and the past 24 hours and past week haven't been too great, but you could say that the price right now is in a consolidation, so we should expect some type of movement. If crypto stays strong, we will expect something to break out, as price does seem like right here it has found a higher support. But I'm looking here on the daily. Let's look here on the 7 day, which I will pull up on the candlesticks as well. We'll talk about that. But look at this on the 7 day. We do have a higher support right here, breakout confirmed, and now price consolidating for the past few days. This right here is some bullish price action. So how are we feeling about Shiba Inu today? I'm gonna give it a thumbs up. I think something good is to come. And let's take a look at that. 90% say good, 10% say bad. I guess people are on the right side of the market right now. So let's talk about some support and resistance levels for Shiba right now. So I'm pulling up this 3-month chart. You can see zoomed out here, we do have this long support here and this current support right here. So right here is my Shiba chart pulled up from TradingView, where I'll give you support and resistance levels. So currently right now, you can see price has broken out, and in terms of support, there's not too many levels actually. In this current range we're in right now, 0.0025, let's say, the low end of support will be about 2,500 to the decimal. And after that, I'm looking down here towards this level, just below 2,000. And then the last level of support would be obviously down at these highs down here where price broke out at about 1,000. So if Shiba Inu does go in a correction, we will need to watch for how price holds towards that 2,500 level. Next level down here at about 2,000, which is pretty close to that 50-day moving average. And then the next would be down in this range here at about 1,000. And as you can see, back in August and September, we had some highs at those levels. And even back here in July, we had price test those range, and June. So if we do head down for a deep correction, let's say about from this current level right now down to that 1,000 level is about a 65% correction. So if we do get a 65% correction, that would look like the bottom for Shiba Inu. As you can see, it was the top as price tested that, 4 times before breaking out in this massive run here that went up from that breakout point, peaked about 360%. Currently right now it is sitting at about a 270% gain. Now let's say for the upside, what are some realistic price targets for Shiba Inu? Okay, so I'm gonna be honest, I don't like to play these crazy runs up because you don't know how it can play out. I like to look at price levels level to level. So in terms of resistance for Shiba Inu, we do have this current level that is right up here at about this 3,500 range. And as you can see, back right when it launched or was listed on FTX, on all the major exchanges pretty much back in, I think it was May-ish, you can see that's also the top in that 3,500 range. So if price does head to that level, and as we just had a test and a rejection, that is a major resistance level. Now let's say we do break out to that level, then what can we expect next after that? So if that can flip into a support and price sits above this 3,500, then we're pretty much into price discovery. Price discovery means Shiba Inu will continue to push up until it finds the next major rejection point. And that all depends on the sentiment of the market, the position it actually is in the top 10, and what that means in terms of market cap. So from this current level right now, we're at about 2,700. So it's double that. That brings us right up here. Let's say which is about 125% run from this current range, which is about 1.25 times the current market cap. So let's look here. So from this current level for Shiba Inu with this $11 billion market cap, if it were to jump 125% or so, 1.25, it would bring Shiba Inu right here, just below the one and only Dogecoin, which is about a $32 billion market cap. So that would mean a jump from number 19 all the way up, just reaching, barely touching the top 10. I don't think that's out of the picture. It is a possibility because these meme coins, they do make these insane runs. So that means if we do get another push for Shiba Inu, the next major resistance level will be as it approaches the top 10 cryptocurrencies, right at about 30, let's say $30 billion market cap. And that would line up with price being towards these this resistance range right up here at about 6,000 to 7,000. And from this current price range, if that breakout does happen, it is about 100 to 200% gain. It is a high risk investment since this is a new altcoin that is highly speculative. That's all I got for now. That's all I'm going to say. I will, in fact, if you guys do like this and I see good feedback, then I will talk about Shiba Inu again, maybe even add it to the rotation of analysis here on the channel. I hope you enjoyed. That was fun talking about Shiba. I am wearing a Dogecoin shirt. Oh well. I don't trade Shiba myself, but I do pay attention, obviously. And I'm actually surprised by it. It's still showing so much strength right now. And the position that it is in right now in terms of all cryptocurrencies, it has been holding off just about past Dogecoin. And I think that's pretty crazy. There is going to be more to come, more for us to talk about. If you did like this video, make sure you also like this video and hit that thumbs up button below. Show your support to the channel. Or even if you're a fan of Shiba, hit that like button as well. And if you're one of those people who like to leave comments, you know we love comments, so do that below. Let me know your feedback, and I'll see you back here again next time. It's John with Currency.com. For more trading videos just like this, please subscribe to our channel.